In this video, I will guide you how to do scaling and mosaicing of raw Massavis using ArcGIS. Now we open the ArcGIS. Our first step is to do assigning coordinate system to data frame. As we are working on data frame UTM-43N, now we assign data frame 43N. Now we add the raw data. This is our raw data. These are the Massavis we are working on. Now we add a list 1. And we scale it on the grid. Our grid size is 40 by 36 as mentioned on the Massavi. Or Massavi is drawn so it's not visible. And now we add the Murabba grid. So we select the Murabba grid 4 by 4. Now zoom into a grid and go to georeferencing tab and click on fit to display. Now we add the points, georeferencing points. First we add the points on diagonals. Now I will add points some random for spline method. 10 points are the requirement for spline method. Go to transformation and click spline. Now open the link table and delete these points. So now I will open the cluster grids and now we add some points. Now we update the georeferencing and click our Massavi. So select 4x4 grid, then go to Windows section and click on Image Analysis. Here we select the image and then click on Clip. Now our Massavi is clipped. Now again we repeat this step for the second Massavi. Now we add the Alif 2 and again select 4x4 grid. Here we select the Alif 2 Massavi and click on Fit to Display. Now we add 4 points on the corners first. So on this corner our Massavi is drawn. So we add point on other side. Now we add again 10 points for render for spline method. Go to georeferencing, click on transformation, then click on spline and delete these additional points. So first we add points on the boundary. So we lock its sides. Now click on update georeferencing, and then again we select our grid for clipping. Go to Windows, Image Analysis, and then select Massavi and click on clip. So now we have done tool Massavi's scaling. So now we create its mosaic. For mosaicing, go to Windows, Image Analysis, then select both Massavis and click on Blend. Here this is our option Blend. Click on this icon. So now our mosaic is done. Now we can export into TIFF format. Select 256 no data values. Check its coordinate spatial reference and rename it according to your requirement. Select TIFF format and select any path where you want to add. So and then click on OK. So our mosaicing and scaling is done. We can overlay our grid on the raster. So this is the result of our scaling and mosaicing.